5 signs your cortisol levels are out of control. Fatigue, anxiety, and more. Are you feeling overwhelmed by fatigue, anxiety, and brain fog? These could be signs that your cortisol levels are spiraling out of control. Understanding how to identify and manage these symptoms is crucial for your overall well-being. Cortisol, commonly referred to as the stress hormone, is produced by the adrenal glands and is essential for regulating various bodily functions, including metabolism, blood sugar levels, inflammation, and blood pressure. It also plays a key role in how our bodies respond to stress. However, when cortisol levels remain elevated for extended periods, they can lead to a range of health issues. In a recent post, dated May 31st, fitness coach Dilan shed light on some often overlooked indicators of high cortisol levels. He expressed a desire for more people to recognize that symptoms like a puffy face, chronic fatigue, and unwanted belly fat can be effectively managed through a straightforward 3-step system within just a few weeks. Dilan stated, "If you're reading this, your cortisol is likely working overtime. You might be feeling exhausted, anxious, bloated, and on the verge of snapping at anyone who comes too close." Let's delve into cortisol, your primary stress hormone, the positive role of cortisol. Dilan further elaborated on the benefits of balanced cortisol levels, noting that when they are in check, cortisol can actually enhance your energy, reduce inflammation, and aid in bodily repair. Conversely, when cortisol is unregulated, it can lead to a relentless cycle of stress responses, akin to a never-ending roller coaster of fight-or-flight reactions. Signs your cortisol levels are out of whack. Here are 5 key indicators that your cortisol levels may be out of control. First, weight gain. Noticeable weight accumulation around your face and abdomen, which is often not where you desire it. Second, persistent fatigue. Feeling tired throughout the day but struggling to fall asleep at night. 3. Anxiety. Experiencing overwhelming anxiety that leads to constant overthinking. 4. Brain fog. Suffering from such severe brain fog that you forget your purpose upon entering a room. 5. Digestive issues. Encountering gastrointestinal distress every time you consume anything that isn't bland or beige. Strategies to regulate cortisol levels. In a previous interview, Dr. Minakshi Manchanda, an associate director of psychiatry at Asian Hospital, emphasized the importance of addressing stress. She stated, "Is stress making you irritable or angry? Simple stress management techniques can help restore tranquility to your busy life without requiring extensive time or effort." Dr. Manchanda recommended practices such as meditation, maintaining a nutritious diet, and fostering connections with supportive individuals. Final thoughts. This article serves as a guide to understanding cortisol and its effects on your health. However, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider with any concerns regarding your health. What do you think? Do you believe that stress management techniques can significantly impact your health? Share your thoughts in the comments below.